Hey guys, welcome to an all-new episode with Conflicts and
Mabel.
Today we'll be looking at an all-new Walt Life subscription box. This here is the snack box. Literally every month they give you Disney snacks.
Ooh.
Yeah, so inside here you got cookies, you got cupcakes, you got just about anything, including like Rice Krispies and different chocolates. So it should be quite interesting to see. You ready to go ahead and open up this month?
Yes.
Alright, so just again, just like any other Walt Life box, it looks like a treasure chest. Got a lot of different Disney characters, which is really cool. You can actually see all the different characters on there, from like Lion King, even Moana, so pretty interesting stuff. Alright, let's go ahead and open this up. Nice. So let's go ahead and just jump right into it and see what we got. So what's this?
It's like chocolate.
It says strawberry truffle dark chocolate bar. Look at that. So you got like a little Mickey Mouse and there's little chocolate bars in here. It's actually pretty cool looking. You want to eat it?
Definitely.
Let's go ahead and try this. Oh man, you can smell it.
Oh wow, it's so strong.
Oh, le mole. It's got
you
like,
see that come out?
it's like little goopy stuff coming out of it. I think it's like strawberry flavoring. Definitely tastes like dark chocolate with strawberry hint to it.
It's really good.
That's pretty interesting stuff. We got ourselves a lollipop. Look at that. Here is an official Disney lollipop. It's called Tutti Frutti Lollipops. So yeah, you can actually see a lot of different characters on here, from Mickey to Pluto, even Goofy. Look at that. It's actually a really cool design.
I forgot Minnie Mouse.
And Minnie Mouse, yes, her favorite, Minnie Mouse. So you can have that.
Okay.
And let's see what else we have in here. It's a cake pop.
Ooh.
You got an official Disney cake pop. So this here's like a little Mickey Mouse. It got like a little ears, as well as it's a little outfit and like sprinkled in glitter.
Ooh.
You want to try it?
Let's try it.
All right, let's see what's inside here. Whoa!
Big bite.
Definitely my favorite so far. All right, so the next thing I see right here is a cool looking Rice Krispie treat. Definitely looks really interesting. It's got like different colors in it. It's actually a fruity Rice Krispie treat, in which it's called Mini Sweets, also from the Disney park. But unfortunately we can't eat marshmallows, so we're just gonna have to pass on that. But yeah, definitely really cool and actually looks really interesting.
Looks yummy too.
Alright, and then we have ourselves a shortbread rounds. It says we get 2 Mickey face cookies made with pure butter. Yeah, fattening. No, shortbread round cookies are actually one of my favorite, and the fact that it's Disney makes it really even more interesting. So kind of curious to see how this all plays out. You ready?
Ready.
Cool.
This would taste really good with tea or coffee.
So buttery. There we go. Alright, moving on to the last one. What do we got?
We got a giant Mickey Mouse cookie.
That's so awesome! Look at that, guys. It's got like this cool looking chocolate glazing all over it.
No, I think that's supposed to say M for Mickey. It looks like there's a little bit missing, so it says M.
Yeah, it does. It says M for Mickey. Check that out. Very cool. You ready to try it?
Yeah.
I know I am.
I'm ready too.
Definitely a chocolate chip cookie. There you guys have it. That's the snack pack for this month. So it's actually a really cool idea, to be able to get these Disney snacks every month. Literally, it makes you feel like you're at the Disney park. And you always get to enjoy something such as this lollipop, among other things like the cookie, even down to the other shortbread cookie. But yeah, with that being said, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. And if you had any questions about the particular box itself, feel free to comment down below. And if you want your very own, check out the link down below as well. Now, with that being said, we'll see you guys next time. Take care now. Bye-bye.